Okay, a very good afternoon to all of you and a happy Raksha Bandhan too. Let's start today's meeting with the discussion of question answers of the chapter The Enemy. As I told you the other day, this chapter is also going to come in your test that we are going to have this Friday. Okay, this Friday there will be a test, and is it visible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss the question answers. First question is, what did Dr. Sadao and his wife see when they stood out looking at the sea? Raise your hands. See, I had given you this assignment. I had sent it on in your groups on Saturday itself. So you must, even if you have not completed it, I'd ask you to go through it so that we can discuss it. And why is it that again I have the same student Malvika raising her hand? What about the others? This is just a revision of the chapter, and we are here only to revise the chapter so that when you have your test, you are prepared. And the test, most probably this time, would be either a mixture of subjective, objective, or only subjective. So please answer this question. Okay, Malvika, you can respond to the first one, and I'll ask the other questions from somebody else. Yes.
Okay, ma'am. Dr. Sadao and his wife suddenly saw something black coming out of the sea. He
Yes.
was crawling on his hand and knees. Then suddenly he fell down on his face and lay there motionless. And he was the American soldier.
He was an
And be-
American. And how did they come to know that he was an American prisoner of war or an American soldier?
Ma'am, because he had worn a cap on which there was a sign of war of prisoner.
American prisoner of war. Yes, he was wearing a cap. The cap was torn, but they could clearly see that it was American soldier. Okay. In what condition was the American sailor when Dr. Sadao found him? Abhay, in what condition was the American sailor when Dr. Sadao found
Ma'am, Dr. Sadao found him in a wounded condition,
him? Yes.
and he was washed ashore in front of his house. And doctor firstly mistook him as a fisherman, but later he realized that the wounded person was American prisoner of war.
Yes, he found him in a very bad condition. He was badly wounded. There was a gunshot and on the lower part of his back, and because the rock had struck there at that very wound, so blood was oozing out profusely from his wound. And first of all, he mistook him. He felt that he was a fisherman, but then through his cap, he came to know that he was an American soldier. What was the chief concern of Sadao's father, and what did he do for that? What was the chief concern of Sadao's father? Yes, this chapter we have done in detail. We spent, I think, more than 10 days on this one chapter. Line by line, I've explained this chapter to you. What was the chief concern of Sadao's father and what did he do for that? Yes, Gulistan, roll number 15.
Ma'am, Sadao's father wanted his son to pursue medical science and he wanted him to study, to do something for his nation. So, therefore, he sent Sadao to America for his further education. And Sadao's education was the main concern of his father.
Yes. So his chief concern was Sadao's education, and he saw to it that his son was properly educated, and he wanted him to pursue his career in medicine and science, and for that he sent him to US for higher studies. Why was Sadao not sent to the battlefield? What was the reason for not sending Sadao to the battlefield? You know, the World War was going on, and along with the soldiers, many doctors were sent to the battlefield. What was the reason for holding back Sadao? Why was he not sent to the battlefield? Alamjit, roll number 38. Why was Sadao not sent to the battlefield? Okay, Kashish, you can respond.
Ma'am, this Sadao was not sent to the battlefield because the general might have needed some operation urgently by Dr. Sadao, and even he had a discovery which would render wounds, and he would be needed by the general.
He would not only be needed by the general, he was needed by his country also because he was perfecting a surgery that would render wounds entirely clean. And the general, why would a general need him? Because the general was not in a fit condition. At any point of time, he might need an operation, and he trusted nobody else but Sadao. Who was Hana, and where did Sadao meet her? Who was Hana, and where did Sadao meet her? Yes. Who was Hana, and where did Sadao meet her? Guru? Again, I have to say, Malvika is always ready with the answers, and what about the others? Yes, Malvika, who was Hana, and where did Sadao meet her?
Ma'am, Hana was a beautiful Japanese girl. She met Dr. Sadao in America at professor's house, but he had waited to fall in love with her until he was sure that she was a Japanese.
And why did that happen? Because he knew it that his father would never approve of a girl who was not purely Japanese. Okay, how did foreign students feel at Professor Harley's house? How did foreign students feel at Professor Harley's house? Yes, Kashish. Kashish, bolo bachche.
Ma'am, the foreign students at Professor House were quite bored, but they accepted their kindness. The rooms were even small there, and the food was not even good.
Yes.
But the professor and his wife were kind, and they were even anxious to do something for the foreign students.
Yes, they were kind people. They wanted to do something for the foreign students. But what about professors? They did not, even Dr. Sadao in the beginning was reluctant to go to Professor Harley's house. What was the reason for that? Can anyone tell me? What was the reason why he was reluctant to go to Professor Harley's house? Yes? Somebody else has to answer now. Why did he not feel like going to Professor Harley's house? Yes, Malvika. Malvika?
Dr. Sadao was reluctant to go to Professor Harley's house because wife was quite voluble
And
in
what
the
do you mean by voluble?
ma'am, because that she used to talk in a quite loud manner
Yes,
and
very
he
good.
could
She was very voluble. She used to talk very loudly, and but they were kind people, and they wanted to do something for their foreign students. And but the students normally felt very bored at their house, but because of their kindness, they accepted the invitation. And how did they feel? The rooms were small, and what about the food? The food was badly prepared, and then to top it all, the professor's wife was voluble. But if Sadao had not gone there that day, then he might not have met Hana. Okay, so it was a chance meeting. How did we done this? How did Sadao and Hana get married? How did Sadao and Hana get married? Yes, Khushbu, roll number 2. How did Sadao and Hana get married?
Sadao and Hana meet an American professor's house. They fall in love,
They fell
but
in love. Bache use past tense, Khushbu. They met at Professor Harley's house. They fell in love. And then what happened after?
they fall in love, but he didn't marry her till they had finished their studies. When they returned back, Sadao's the girl was of pure Japanese race. After this, he consented and both were married according to their customs.
Yes, they got married only after Sadao had made himself sure that the girl was a pure Japanese, because he knew that his father would not approve of any other match. And then they got married. They were not in no hurry to get married. They finished up their studies first, then they came back to Japan, and they got married according to the customs of their family and their country. Okay. Next is why do you think Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? Why do you think Dr. Sadao's father was a very traditional and conventional man? Yes, Anand. Anand. Anandji.
He was quite a traditional man, as he inculcated in Dr. Sadao the values of patriotism and national loyalty. And when
Given.
that was quite Sadao had always cherished his great values. And secondly, all the things at the home, all the objects were made in Japan.
They
He
were,
always refused to objects that were made outside Japan,
yes,
from America
he
or
never accepted of anything but Japanese. So he wanted all the furniture, everything, each and everything in his house was purely Japanese, and moreover, he instilled all the values of his culture, the customs that were prevalent in their country into his son Sadao. What did Sadao notice about the white wounded man, and how did he stop his bleeding? What did he notice about the white wounded man, and how did he stop bleeding? Yes. First thing is, what did he notice? What did he notice about the white wounded man? Bolo? I again have to say students Khushbu and Malvika. What did he notice about the white wounded man? There was a gunshot on his lower back, and there was a deep wound because of that, and that wound had been reopened. And how had it been reopened? Because of the rocks. The rocks had struck there only. And how did he stop his bleeding? The first part of the question I've already answered. How did he stop his bleeding? What did he do to stop his bleeding? Yes, Malvika. What did he do to stop his bleeding? Malvika?
Of the bleeding, he tightened a piece of cloth around the wound, and he kept a wet napkin on his hand, and also took some piece of small plant from the side and kept it on the wound.
That was moss. That was moss. He covered it, he
Yes.
packed it with moss. Okay. What did Sadao and his wife want to do with the white man after he had stopped bleeding, and why? After the bleeding had stopped, what did they want to do with the white man, and why? Question number 10. What did they both want to do with the white man, and why?
Yes, ma'am, are you able to hear?
Yes, I am able to hear you. Answer do.
Uh, can you repeat the question?
Question is, what did Sadao and his wife want to do with the white man after he had stopped bleeding, and why?
Ma'am, they decided to told the whole incident which about the white man to the general, and they were very reputed family in Japan, and they didn't want to uh, and they didn't want to hide anything about this incident, so they decided to tell the all the incident about to the
They
general.
decided, okay, they decided to tell the entire incident to the general, but that happened later on. Initially, what was it that they did with the man, and what was it that they wanted to do with the man? That is the
Ma'am,
question. Yes.
they took the white men into their house, and they wanted to operate on the unconscious wounded war prisoner, and
Yes.
then after that they told the general about whole
Yes.
incident.
First of all, you will have to tell that initially they didn't know what to do. First of all, they felt that they should just turn him over into the sea, but then they felt that that would not be good because Sadao was a doctor. And then, after a lot of discussion and thought, they felt that they should take him inside, and they decided to operate upon him. And thereafter, they felt that since it is not safe to have the American prisoner of war in their home, they should tell the entire incident to the general. Why did Yumi defy the orders of Hana? 11th question. Why did Yumi defy the orders of Hana? Kashish, bolo. Kashish.
Ma'am, when Yumi was asked to wash the soldier, she bluntly refused to this because she said that she would never wash a white man, and she would not wash the dirty one.
Yes.
She was even said by Hannah that the person was poor and she should help that white man, and help them to wash
Yes, she was ordered to wash the white man by Hannah, but she bluntly refused and she said that she had never in her life washed a white man and she would not wash such a dirty one now. And this is why she defied, because she felt that she had nothing to do. She was there only as she was appointed only as the nanny of the children, and she had got nothing to do with the white man or what the Japanese couple thought. Okay. Why did servants leave Sadao's house? Why did the servants leave Dr. Sadao's house? Bolo? Why did they leave Dr. Sadao's house? Yes, Alam. Alamji, bolo.
Dr. Sadao had given an enemy soldier shelter in his house. None of his servants liked it. They looked upon upon all white Americans as their enemy.
Yes.
Uh, Sadao was not going to hand over the man to the police. They left his house.
Yes, because they were watching the Japanese couple doing so much for the American prisoner of war, and they felt that because these two people had stayed in America for quite a lot of time, and that is why they had a soft corner for the Americans, and they felt that Dr. Sadao was so proud of himself, of his skill as a doctor, and of saving life, that he could go on to save anybody's life, even that of an enemy. They felt that all the Americans, including this prisoner of war, was their enemy, and they should not stay in a house where such a prisoner of war was being sheltered by the owners. Our next question is, how did the gardener react about the white wounded man? What was the reaction of the gardener? So you need to go through the entire chapter because the question can come from anywhere. Okay, so how did the gardener react about the white wounded man? Yes, I have the same three students of B2 section. Nobody from C2 is responding today. Getting no response from anybody from my section. Yes, Kashish. Bolo. How did the gardener react about the white wounded man?
Ma'am, the gardener said that his master should not save a wounded man, as he assumed that the nature had tried to kill him twice. First
Yes.
when he was shot, and second when sea caught him, when he
Yes.
was in the sea.
And what would happen if the master would go against nature? See, the gardener felt that the man had been struck twice by nature. First of all, there was a gunshot, and then he was struck by the waves, the rocks, and he was a very superstitious kind of a fellow. And he felt that if the master would go against nature, then nature's fury would fall upon him, because he was a superstitious man. So he felt that whatever nature has decided for the man, the doctor should not go against that. Next question is, how did Hannah help Dr. Sadao while he operated upon the enemy soldier? Just not every soldier, but enemy soldier. How did Hannah help Dr. Sadao? Yes, Malvika. How did Hannah help Dr. Sadao?
Hannah was very helpful while the operation was going on. She dipped a small clean towel into steaming water and washed his face. And Dr. Sadao also requested Hannah to give anesthesia if it was needed.
Yes, initially she was reluctant to give anesthesia because she was not a professional and she didn't know how to administer it. And but then because she knew that there was nobody to help Dr. Sadao there, so she volunteered and she carried on with the orders of her husband. Whatever her husband wanted her to do, she did that. At what point of time did Sadao decide to get the enemy out of his house? What was that particular point of time when he decided to get the enemy out of his house?
Sadao operated on the enemy soldier, and after the operation, he took complete care of him, and he was quite. And after after the operation, the white man was completely fine, and then he told the whole story to the general. And after the listening to the story, the general promised to send his personal assassins to kill the enemy, but the general forgot the promise. So Dr. Sadao decided to get the enemy out of his house and reach the nearby island.
Yes, very good. So why did the messenger come to Dr. Sadao, and what did Hannah think about it? Question number 16. Why did the messenger come to Dr. Sadao? And on seeing the messenger, what did Hannah think about it? Alamjeet.
Yes, ma'am. The journal was quite ill. He was in pain and required medical treatment immediately. He had faith only in Siddhao's medical capabilities. With his orders, the messenger came to Dr. Siddhao's house, and I thought that the general would penalize her husband for giving shelter to an enemy, so she was quite scared at the moment.
Yes, very good. Hannah felt that the servant, because the servants had gone and they had already, and they must have told about this sheltering incident to the general, and the general had sent the messenger to arrest her husband, Dr. Sadao. In what context does Hannah remember the cruel nature of General Takima? What was the context in which Hannah remembered the cruel nature of General Takima? Yes, Malvika.
Remembers him in the context of the suffering of a prisoner of war. She
Yes.
deduces if a man like General Takima in the power could as well be very cruel to the prisoner, and she could see the deep scars, red scars on the white man's neck and under the ears. So he remembered the cruel nature of General Takima after seeing the condition of the American war of prisoners.
American prisoner of war. Yes, very good. Why did the general spare the American soldier? Why did the general spare the American soldier? Yes, Kashish. Why did the general spare the American soldier?
The general knew that if everyone would know that the Dr. Sadao have given shelter to the American soldier, he would surely be arrested. The general was a selfish man. He wanted Dr. Sadao for his own operation so that he could be safe and fine. So for his own operation, he saved Dr. Sadao.
Yes. Anything left which anybody wants to add on? See, the general spared the American soldier because he was worried about himself. He was a very selfish and a self-centered kind of a person because he needed Sadao. He was preoccupied with his own illness. He totally forgot about the promise that he had made to Dr. Sadao that he would get rid of, he would send his personal assassins to get rid of the American prisoner of war. So, for his own self-interest, he spared the American soldier, and thereafter, he when he had a talk with Dr. Sadao about the same, he knew it that Dr. Sadao had helped the American soldier in escaping from his house, but still he uttered no word, and he did not want that this thing should come out, this thing should be disclosed at any point of time. How did the old general thought to help Sadao in getting rid of the white man? Very simple question. Yes, Gulistan. Gulistan. How did the old general thought to help Sadao in getting rid of the white man?
General promised Dr. Sadao to send his personal assassins to kill the enemy, but he forgot his promise, and he also promised him that he would also take the dead body of the American war of prisoner, so that Hannah be. So that the Hannah is not frightened after seeing the dead body.
Okay, fine, yes. So he had thought of a plan and he shared the plan with Dr. Sadao, and the plan was to send his personal assassins who would not only kill the American prisoner of war silently, but they would also they would also take away the dead body, the corpse, so that his wife, Hannah, doesn't get frightened on seeing the assassins or seeing a dead body lying in her house. What instructions were given by Dr. Sadao to the American before he left for the scene? What were the instructions that were given by Dr. Sadao. Yes, Alamjeet.
Sadao instructed him to row and stay on the island for the arrival of a Korean fishing boat. He advised him not to burn any fire for fear of being caught. He gave him his flashlight and told him to signal two flashes in case he ran short of food or still he was on island. One flash would have suffered. He sternly warned him to flash the light only at the sunset and never during the darkness.
Yes, because it could be seen and he would be caught. What message does the enemy give? What is the message given by this story, this chapter? What is the message? The message the story gives is that humanity is above all. Yes, Alam, you want to add on? Alam, Bolo? Alamji, you've raised your hand.
There was this story even showed a rendering portrayal of conflict between man's head and heart, and the between his duty, ethical duty, and his patriarchal duty. But between that, the most important thing was humanity. The humanity
Yes.
he should have human life. That's why at the end, humanity won over all the patriotism, nationality at the last.
Yes, humanity is one thing that won over all, whether it was patriotism or it was national loyalty or it was humanity is the thing that is above all. That is what the story teaches us. Even though there was a battle between head and heart, and eventually it was heart that won over head. And his intuition, his head told him that he should hand him over to the police. He should or even just turn him over into the sea. But as a human being, he was a doctor, no doubt, but he was most important. He was a human being, and humanitarian ground won over all. All the hatred that he had for the American prisoner of war, or anything, or the prejudices that he had, or whatever he had, the patriotism, the national loyalty towards his country. These things were secondary for Dr. Sadao. The priority was saving a life, and he eventually saved life. And not only did he save him, not only did he operate upon him, he also helped him in escaping from his home. What impression do you form about Dr. Sadao as a man and as a surgeon on your reading the chapter? This is character sketch of Dr. Sadao. You can do it. Okay, you can do it on your own. I'm not going to discuss it. The next question is, why did Sadao help the American soldier to escape? How did he do it? ये भी आपको पता है, ठीक है?
Why did Sadao Hockey go to America, narrate the experiments there?
हाँ जी, बताओ, आंसर बोलो. आता है आपको आंसर, मालविका? Why did he go to America and narrate the experiments there?
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, बोलो.
Dr. Sadao went to America for his higher education, as his father wanted him to go to take the higher education of in medical sciences from America. So to pursue that, he went to America.
This question is, there are moments in life, this question also being done already. There are moments in life when we have to make hard choices between our roles as private individuals and citizens with a sense of national loyalty.
This is the NCRT
The
question.
NCRT question, there's no need to do it. Okay, so you can do these 24 questions, and you can send your assignment to me on Thursday. And Thursday is the last date of submission. I'm not going to accept any assignment after Thursday. Is it clear? Now, there's an important thing which I want to discuss today, and that thing is about your test. Now, there are many people who are using different names in the test. Use your own name, use your own or use your own roll number, and attempt the test only once. एक ही बार अटेम्प्ट करो. खुद जितनी नॉलेज है, खुद जितना आपको आता है, अगर आप करोगे वो बेटर है. आपकी भी असेसमेंट ट्रू होगी, और आपके लिए भी अच्छा है, वो मेरे लिए भी अच्छा है. So be fair in your life, be honest in your life. Okay? So this is the only thing that I wanted to say. अगर अभी आप अपनी लाइफ में ऑनेस्ट नहीं होगे तो आगे जाके क्या करोगे? ये छोटी छोटी चीजें हैं, यहीं से पता चलता है आप कितने ऑनेस्ट. Okay? If you want to be successful in your life, you need to be first honest with your own selves. Okay? So that's the only thing that I wanted to repeat and I wanted to say to you people. And study well. This is not such a difficult chapter. The details of the test would be shared only on Friday. You prepare for it, and just take good care of yourself and your eyes. That is all for today.